Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a drop-down menu list in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and select Tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this Prepare From option, select here. Now here you will find this drop-down menu icon. Simply select here and drag your drop-down menu. Now select right button for properties and select General option. Here you can change drop-down menu name. Also you can add tooltip. You can make it visible, invisible. Also you can make it read only, required. Also you can rotate text. Now select appearance option. Here we will add border color. So line thickness, medium extremes, and we will fill color white, and also choose font size auto. You can choose custom font size and text color in below. Also you can change the text color menu list and font style. And choose Arial black. Now select option. Here you can move drop down position and select option. Now add here your item list. Type item list. Also you can add export value. It is not necessary. And now select add and see this item already added. Also I'll add export value to add India and 4. Now selected and close and preview and see this a drop down menu already created, and again select edit option. Also you can increase, decrease drop down menu size. Also you can move anywhere and select right button for properties and option. Here you can up drop down option, you can down. Also you can delete any item as you like. Yeah, this is. Now finally select colors and preview. A drop down menu already created. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.